everyone, this is Coach Mary. Today we're going to talk about the beauty arsenals, the 8 makeup looks for Zoom Meet and Meetup, 8 fashion looks for Zoom Meet and Meetup, and of course, the 8 things about the brand that I'm going to reveal to you. And of course, we will talk about beautiful mental health and the decent and social butterfly, how to be like that. Okay, and of course, the self-respect, self-esteem, and self-discipline according to expert. See you mga ka-I hope. This is Coach Mary of Beauty Talks. We're gonna talk about this today. See ya. Since a lot of you guys are requesting those products that I use, okay, and those beautiful things that I find it beautiful na i-practice, okay? So, isa-isahin ko sila, guys, okay? So, number 1 list, on my list is a Miracle Kaxa Face Contour. You know why? Because I find this beautiful. Pag may stress ka, all you have to do is you have a face massage and it makes you relax. Okay? Pag medyo stress ka at medyo out of control yung anger mo, okay, handy siya at nagdadala ko siya kahit saan ako papunta, okay? That's number 1 list, the Kaxa Face Contour Face Massage. Okay, ang number 2 natin, ang Miracle White Lotion, okay? Ano ba to? Ito yung lotion from Vantage International that I'm also a leader. It gives you a yummy scent at saka maganda siya, you feel pampered. Importante yung aroma at yung naaamoy mo to feel good. Okay, and it's a milky white lotion. Okay, number 3, we have Nutri-C Vitamin C from Vantage International. Importante na tayo ay may vitamin C, lalo na ngayon at pandemic. Okay, ang number 4 ko, ang Vaseline Restore and Vaseline Jelly Lotion. Okay, after that, you have to choose yung mga lotion na amoy, nakaka-wake up siya. Okay, it has a lemon scent, and mahilig ako sa mga lotion na maganda yung amoy. Okay, it makes you smell fresh. Okay, what else? The shampoo, I'm using the Life Strong Hair Fix Keratin Strong Shampoo. Dahil ako may wavy hair, yun yung ginagamit ko para ma-straighten ang aking buhok. Okay, what else? The Pantene Collagen Conditioner. Sobrang ganda na, guys, kasi healthy yung stand. Because I have parang corn hair, manipis siya, so it makes my hair strand stronger. Okay, what else? The BB Cream from Ever Bilena Advance. It's anti-wrinkle. I use the natural shade. Okay, especially for those girls like us na humaharap sa camera. Okay, so ginagamit ko to because maganda siya sa balat. Okay, so lahat tayo hindi perfect yung skin natin, diba? So BB Cream from Ever Bilena is very good. Okay, what else? The Vicks Vapora. Believe it or not, guys. Ito yung baby gap or Vicks na ginagamit mo pag may sipon ka or may ubo ka. Ginagamit ko to as a relaxant, okay? So before, bago matulog yung aking anak or ako, I smell this, okay? I massage it on my nose, sa nostril ko, dito, banda dito, and when I smell it, it has a rosemary and lavender scent, which makes you feel sleepy. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, so what else? Let's talk about the beautiful mental health. Okay, now there are 3 things that make you well-being, beautiful, and you feel beautiful and you feel good. Okay, importante ang emotional stability mo. Okay, so what else do we have? Number 1, you have to sleep well. Importante na kumpleto ang tulog natin, lalo na mga babae. At syempre naman ang mga guys, diba? So, your brain function well if you have a good sleep or a good number of sleep. 7 to 8 hours is advisable, okay? Number 2, detach yourself from negativity. Yung mga bagay nagpapastress sa'yo, medyo layuan mo siya ng konti. huwag mo siyang masyadong isipin. Instead, isulat mo sa notebook yung mga bagay na ayaw mo and then give it a finality. Ako, I always give finality on any problem that I have. Okay? Ibig sabihin, even though you cannot solve it right away, when you write it in a notebook in the long run, okay, if it's tangible, write it down and then think of it of how you can attain it, okay? Now, if it's emotional fulfillment or sinasabi natin yung mga gusto natin mangyari pero out of control, you have to write it down, guys. You know why? The notebook will function as the extension of your brain na for the meantime ay may ilagay mo at magkakaroon ng parang na-absorb ng ibang bagay yung mga problem mo. Like yung notebook mo, syempre nandun siya, okay? Ibig sabihin, hindi mo iniwan yung problema mo, pero patuloy mo siyang sinusolve. So, medyo nababawasan yung stress. Okay, now, according to expert, no, yung self-respect, self-esteem, and self-discipline, importante to sa atin lahat. Okay, lalo na kung ikaw ay coach or ikaw ay life coach or someone who teaches, or not only for teachers and coaches but also for other people as well. Okay, yung self-respect, how do you retain it? Self-respect, nobody is allowed to hurt you emotionally or physically. Oh, that is human rights, guys, ha? No one has to tolerate that, okay? Number 2, self-esteem. For you to have a self-esteem, it's not enough for self-confidence. According to expert, self-esteem is you have a good hygiene. Kung malinis ka sa katawan, you feel good. And when you feel good, you have a very good emotional stability. Diba? Hindi ka irritable. Okay, number 2, you eat healthy food. Whatever you intake in your body, it goes out from how you look. Okay, so this is beauty in and out. And of course, self-discipline. Bakit ko ba nasabi ang self-discipline? Importante na meron tayong rules para sa sarili natin. If you eat healthy food, syempre, you become healthy. Now, if you cannot control what you eat, chances are, you are not or you will not be healthy. Okay? So, we stop blaming other people why they are thinner than us or healthier than us. It's because they have to practice self-discipline. Okay? Importante ang self-discipline sa iyong mental health because you have to control yourself emotionally, physically, and of course, syempre naman ang iyong mental health ay importante. Lalo na doon sa mga bagay na kailangan mong i-handle. Okay, especially your health and your looks. Okay, so, diyan nababawasan yung ating envy, diyan nababawasan yung ating insecurity because we know that we are taking care of ourselves. Alright? So, this has been Mary Yang for Beauty Talks, 5 to 6 p.m. every Sunday. See you guys around and stay beautiful. Bye-bye. Right, guys, are you ready for the outfits? Okay, the 8 outfits that I get together. Okay, for the Zoom meet or meet up. Okay, number 1, I have the red embroidery dress by Plains and Prince. Okay, if you are attending a family gathering or a party, you can have something red, okay, para magkaroon ng happy ambience, alright? Okay, ang number 2 naman natin, ang black floral dress by N. Manila. Okay, if you are having a Zoom meet, be sure that you have a close neck blouses to make it formal. Okay, why it's dark? Dark color symbolizes authority and respect and power. Okay, number 3, the floral dress by Miu Miu Italy. Okay, I chose this because it looks good for daytime look. Okay, so you can pair it with the red shoes if you're going out or meet up, if you have physical meet up. Number 4 natin ang off-shoulder. Okay, Ito yung pang girls night out or all girls, okay? You can also wear something that is shapely, a bit sexy, but decente, okay? So, you can wear off-shoulder dresses. That is, this is by Karimadon, okay? So, by the way, guys, I'm wearing Karimadon dress today, my white Karimadon. Okay, thank you very much, Karimadon. Okay, and then of course, number 6 natin, ang striped blouse by Camiseta. Okay, so this is one of my favorite because, syempre, if you're in a hurry or medyo meron ka sumit, okay, you can dress with a sabi blouse na stripe. You can go wrong. You cannot go wrong with a striped blouse for a Zoom meet. It makes you interesting. Siyempre, bakit? Kasi may mga details ang damit natin for a Zoom meet na decente pero maganda. Okay. And then what else? The electric pleats. This is a 2021 trends electric pleats. Dolce & Gabbana, Gucci, what else? Louis Vuitton, Marc Jacobs, who else? Okay. So, yung mga designers, yung mga sikat na designers, Camiseta, they launched the pleated skirt or electric pleats. Okay. That will give you an exciting piece or something interesting topic for you to share it with other guests or other people. Siyempre, if someone would not say, ang ganda ng skirt mo, oh, that's a trend for 2021. So that will make you more sociable because you have something to talk about, okay? It's, be aware, girls, no, and guys, if you have something interesting, hindi kailangan sobrang mahal or sobrang mura yung suot mo. It happens that if it's interesting, it can be a good conversation starter, okay? So it magnetizes people because you have something interesting with you. Okay, and that will gain you friends, new contacts, okay? Plus, of course, syempre, nawawala yung shyness mo. You know why? Because you have something to talk about. Okay. Number 8, ang floral blouse. Okay. You can go no wrong. I mean, you cannot go wrong with a floral blouse. Whether you're a mommy, you're a lola, you're a lady, or yung nagdadalaga pa lang. Okay. So, a floral blouse is a classic wear for Zoom meet and for meet-up. Why? If you wanted to have it formal, as a formal wear, you can wear chunky necklace, just like I'm wearing today. By the way, girls, okay, if you want to formalize your outfit na medyo showy, nagsishow ng skin, you can wear a chunky necklace or a chunky earring to make it formal, okay? So, importante na kahit nakadamit pa tayo na medyo sexy, ay kailangan meron tayong we look formal, we look decent, okay? Alright, so this has been Mary for the 8 fashion meet-up and Zoom meet. Okay, now, the next one that I'm going to discuss with you is yung makeup. Okay, importante yung makeup, the 8 makeup looks. Okay, number 1, we have pretty makeup. Pretty makeup is like, you have a pale lips, na medyo pink, nag-glow ka, okay? It's like parang a blooming makeup na you have rosy cheeks. Okay, that's number 1 makeup look. Number 2, we have the corporate makeup. Corporate makeup, usually hindi siya makintab. Okay, hindi yung parang nag-ano ka lang ng colored bubble gum, tapos ilagay mo sa lips, hindi siya ganon. Ang corporate makeup is something that is matte. Okay, so hindi siya makintab. Pwede siyang dark ng konti o pwede sobrang light ng konti. Pero, pag nag-light kayo na lipstick, kailangan dark yung inyong eyeshadow. So, kailangan balance siya. Okay? So, para maiwasan natin yung parang yung wing drag look na sobrang kapal ng makeup mo, it should be balanced. Okay? Pag na-enhance yung lips mo, kailangan subtle lang yung eye makeup mo, okay? So what else? Makeup number 3. We have makeup number 3, which is the parang sultry look. Ito yung look mo na gusto mo makipag-date. You have, parang, ito na yung mga lips na medyo makintab at medyo red, okay? So, you look more attractive with the makeup na nag-accentuate ng lips mo. Okay, now, let's have makeup number 4. Makeup number 4, you go on with your eyes, okay? So, especially, ito yung camera-ready makeup. Importante yung foundation mo. Medyo kailangan flawless ang yung face. Huwag masyado sa blush on kasi it gives shadow when you're in front of the camera. Like what I have right now, I don't have a lot of blush on kasi nga, kailangan sa camera flawless ka at saka malinis tingnan yung mukha mo. Okay, we have makeup number 5. Makeup number 5 is the photoshoot look. Photoshoot looks, ito yung medyo matapang yung mukha mo. At napapansin nyo ba yung mga models, they don't smile a lot. Especially for those who are, who do fashion shoots for clothing. Okay? So, kailangan magkaroon ng impression yung babasa ng magazine or yung titingin sa camera or manonood sa'yo that you have a serious look na mag-focus sila doon sa damit. And that will lead you to have a very, very strong makeup. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin strong makeup, makapal yung lashes mo, very defined yung eyebrow mo. Okay, that's makeup number 5. Okay, the fashion shoot makeup. Okay, number 6, we have the lightest makeup ever. Yung parang nagsushoots ka na nasa bahay lang, you don't have to wear a lot of makeup. Ito naman yung sobrang pale, pero hindi ka mukhang may sakit. Okay, so importante yung pink lips. Okay, if you have a pink lipstick, maganda siya, lalo na kung ikaw if you have fair skin. Okay, or for those who have yellow tone, you can wear the parang orange tint makeup. Okay, so kung nakapambahay ka, maganda rin yun. Okay, so syempre, para you look good naman and presentable kahit nasa bahay ka lang. That is the indoor makeup or sinasabi natin na casual makeup lang siya. Okay, now the 7. Okay, the 7 makeup look is, number 7 is the, what you call this, a professional makeup look. Okay, professional makeup look, kailangan accentuated ang eyes. You have a defined eyebrow. Okay, medyo matapang yung mata mo. Okay, and then what else? Yung lips mo is well defined. If you can use lip liner, it's good, especially for the corporate photo shoots. Okay, importante na buhay yung brow mo at saka yung eyes mo, but hindi ka na mukhang nakakatakot. Alright? Or hindi ka mukhang nananakot. Okay, what else? The makeup look number 8. The makeup look number 8, I used to practice all the time. It's a pretty makeup. Pretty makeup means it's well balanced. Ito yung parang makeup na you were born with this look. Okay, yung signature mo na pag nagmamadali ka at kailangan mo mag-zoom meet, bigla ang emergency meeting, don't forget the lip tint. Lip tint, ito yung nakamask ka pero hindi siya natatanggal. So I advise you guys to wear parang lip tint or yung non-smudge. So, ilalagay mo lang siya and then wala siyang lip shimmer, but you look very much alive. Ibig sabihin, paano ba yun? You look pretty. That's why it's called pretty makeup. You look healthy. And of course, mukha ka pa rin decente. Importante guys, na when you're a girl or a boy, syempre naman, no? When you are doing a Zoom meet, decente ka pa rin tingnan and presentable ka pa rin. Something that will make your encounter very memorable and of course very presentable, very pleasant sa camera. Okay? Now with the zoom out, or what do you need? When you talk about meet up. Okay, ito yung physical meet up. Be sure that you have a blush on for the girls. Now, for the boys, ina-advise ko po kayo talaga, magandang tingnan ng guys pag medyo wet hair siya. Okay, yung traditional look na wet hair, especially on camera. So, iwasan natin yung mukhang bagong gising lang, okay? Kailangan well-groomed yung hair natin at maganda yung hairstyle. And, of course, you have a collared shirts, okay? Hindi pwede yung parang t-shirt. Kasi some of the influencer, they practice t-shirt lang, tapos nagsasalita sila, and they talk about business. Parang, ang hirap makarelate, di ba? So, I think, di ba, yung ibang influencer, they sometimes pag formal, super formal yung event, sa summit, naka-coat and tie pa sila. Okay. So imagine ha, that's how you prepare yourself for the summit and this has been Maria. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you guys and I hope to meet up with you, okay, someday. Okay, let's stay healthy, let's stay beautiful. Have a great day, everyone. This is Beauty Talks, Mary Young. Bye-bye.